Hey guys, welcome to another episode of H2ML. Today, I'm going to teach you how to look upset. Have you ever had an incredible day and then someone gives you news that is upsetting, but your face just isn't working with the rest of your body to look upset? I won about $2 million in the lottery, but my grandfather died that day. So somebody's telling me that my grandfather, my closest and personal friend, had passed, but I just became rich and my face just couldn't show that I was sad. Pretend. Look upset. Let's break it down into 3 steps. Eyes. Make your eyebrows go up and your eyes go down. You can do this. Up, down. Up, down. Second step, your mouth. This doesn't look upset. This really sad. See it? I'm an actor. Third step, vocalize. I'm upset. Did you guys believe me? Try it a little bit like this. You get the news. My grandfather has passed. Just like that. And that's all for today's episode. Click like, subscribe, and watch our other videos. I'm sure you got a lot to learn.